Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to fix Windows Update errors, because nothing is more frustrating than seeing that update fail message over and over again. There are several fixes, so let's go through all of them from easiest to most advanced. Before we start fixing things, let's quickly understand why this happens. Windows updates can fail for several different reasons. Corrupted update files sitting in the cache, not enough free disk space on your drive, corrupted system files, outdated or conflicting drivers, your internet connection dropping mid-download, or even your antivirus software blocking the update from installing. Sometimes it's also a VPN interfering with Windows Update servers. The good news is all of these are fixable, so let's go through the fixes one by one. Windows has a built-in tool specifically designed to automatically detect and fix Windows Update errors. On Windows 10, go to Settings, then Update and Security, then Troubleshoot, and click Additional Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run the Troubleshooter. On Windows 11, go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters, and hit Run next to Windows Update. The tool will scan for issues, automatically fix what it can, and tell you what it found. Once it's done, restart your PC and try updating again. This alone fixes the problem for a lot of people without needing to do anything else. This sounds too simple, but it genuinely fixes the problem a surprising amount of the time. If a previous update was partially installed and left things in a pending state, a fresh restart clears that out and lets Windows try again cleanly. After restarting, go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Let it run again and see if it goes through this time. Always start here before doing anything more complicated. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step on my website. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. One of the most common reasons updates fail is simply not having enough storage space. Windows needs at least 10 to 15 gigabytes of free space to download and install updates properly. To check, open File Explorer, right-click your C drive, and select Properties. It'll show you exactly how much free space you have. If you're running low, open the Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup. Select your C drive, check all the boxes including temporary files, Windows Update Cache, and Recycle Bin, and hit OK to delete them. This can free up several gigabytes instantly. Once you've cleared up space, go back and try the update again. If Windows downloaded a corrupted update file, it'll keep trying to install that broken file and failing every single time. The fix is to delete those cached files and force Windows to download fresh ones. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open Run. Type services.msc and hit Enter. In the list, find Windows Update. Right-click it and select Stop. Now open File Explorer and navigate to C:\Windows\software distribution\download. Select everything inside that folder and delete it all. These are just temporary update files, and it's completely safe to remove them. Then go back to Services, right-click Windows Update again, and hit Start. Now go back to Windows Update and try checking for updates again. Windows will download fresh, clean update files this time. If the update is still failing, corrupted Windows system files might be the culprit. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. First, type SFC/Scan Now and hit Enter. This scans all of your protected Windows system files and automatically replaces any corrupted ones. The scan takes around 15 to 30 minutes, so let it run all the way to completion. Once it's done, run the second command. Type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health and hit Enter. DISM goes even deeper and downloads replacement files directly from Microsoft servers if needed. Once both are finished, restart your PC and try the update again. This combination fixes a huge number of Windows Update errors. Third-party antivirus software sometimes interferes with Windows updates by mistakenly flagging update files as suspicious. If you're using a third-party antivirus like Norton, McAfee, Avast, or Kaspersky, try temporarily disabling it before running the update. Right-click the antivirus icon in your system tray and look for an option to disable or pause protection for a short period. Usually 10 or 15 minutes is enough. Once it's paused, go back to Windows Update and try installing the update. After it's done, make sure to turn your antivirus back on. Also, if you're using a VPN, turn that off too before trying. VPNs can sometimes block the connection to Microsoft's update servers. This one surprises a lot of people, but external hardware can sometimes cause Windows updates to fail, especially USB drives, printers, external hard drives, and docking stations. Before running an update, unplug everything that isn't absolutely necessary. Basically, just leave your keyboard and mouse plugged in. Then try the update again. Microsoft actually recommends this step officially because driver conflicts with external devices are a known cause of update failures. If a specific update keeps failing no matter what you try, you can download and install it manually. When an update fails, Windows shows you an error code that starts with KB, like KB followed by a bunch of numbers. Copy that KB number, then open your browser and go to catalog.windowupdate.com. Search for that KB number and download the correct version for your system. Make sure to check if you need the 32-bit or 64-bit version. Once downloaded, just run the file like a normal installer, and it'll install the update directly without going through Windows Update at all. This bypasses whatever's blocking the automatic process and almost always works. If your update started failing after a recent change to your system, like installing new software or a driver, System Restore can roll Windows back to a point when everything was working fine. Search for System Restore in the Start menu and open it. Click Choose a different restore point and pick a date from before the update error started. Confirm and let Windows restore itself. Your personal files stay untouched, but any recently installed programs or drivers will be removed. After the restore completes, try running Windows Update again, and it should work normally. A couple of final things worth knowing. Make sure your internet connection is stable while updates are downloading. A dropped connection mid-download corrupts the update file and causes it to fail on install. Also, make sure your system clock shows the correct date and time, because Windows Update uses your system time to verify update certificates, and if the time is wrong, it can cause authentication errors. Just right-click the clock in the taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time to fix it if needed. And that's it! 9 solid ways to fix Windows Update errors, from the simplest to the most advanced. Work through them in order, and one of them will almost certainly get your updates working again. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Windows tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!